How's it going, guys? I'm Prince from Prince TV, and today we're going to be checking out Me Time as the Cat Owner by Simon's Cat. I think this is an awesome animation channel. I think he only does cat videos. Haven't seen much of it. Let's see what the latest one looks like. All right, let's play. Reading your favorite book. What's up with that? Oh my goodness. The cat is running and it's sounding like a horse running. Oh. Oh no, you missed this time. Oh, okay, finally. Watching your favorite game. Okay. I hope he doesn't come start running again. He's not gonna let you watch the game. Oh, that's a good cat. No, it's not gonna happen. That's a really troubling cat. Relaxing on the sofa. Oh, he ate it. I'm still alive. He's gonna freak out. What's up? Oh no, he didn't even see the spider. I thought he was gonna find out. He's gonna see it now! Taking an afternoon nap. Okay. Now it's a fly. Yeah, of course it's a fly. What a mess. He's not gonna be too happy when he wakes up from the nap. It's dead. Good. Oh no. He wants to show it off, you know? See what I've done? Oh, he's so proud. Oh no, the mess. And he's hungry. Yes, swallowing the enjoying your newly replaced sofa because the previous one was all scratched up. Horror movie, okay? Oh no! It's the new sofa, don't scratch it. Why is the cat hiding though? Ah, that's gross. Oh, he got inside. And now he's stuck. Oh, he's gonna think it's a ghost. Oh no. Oh. But the sofa, it's ruined. Okay. Getting your own back. Getting your own back? What? Oh, he's playing with the laser pointer. Oh. Not so fun now, is it, Simon? Oh no, what's going to happen? Oh my goodness. These are awesome videos, dude. I can't wait to check out more of these Simon's Cat videos. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed watching it along with me. I really enjoyed it. And if you have any more good ones of these animations, leave it down in the comments. I would love to check them out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out my future updates. And I'll see you next time. Peace.